Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this quick guide, I will show you how to prevent the Messenger app from accessing your phone's camera. So let's jump right in. First, start by opening your settings app on your Android device. Now tap on apps and notifications or app management depending on your phone model. And then tap on the search icon located at the top right corner of the screen and type Messenger. And then tap on the Messenger app. Now in the Messenger app info screen, tap on permissions and go to camera option and set the permission to deny or don't allow. Messenger will no longer be able to use your camera unless you manually allow it again. Note, this only affects your camera access. You'll still be able to send messages, photos from your gallery and make voice calls as usual. And yes, that's it. You have successfully disabled camera access on Messenger. If this video helped, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Drop a comment if you'd like tutorials for other apps. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.